Kuya, paano yung gitara ko? Nasasad ako.
Uy!
May gitara rin ako.
Little things, oh.
Ayan.
We are never, ever,
Wait
ever.
lang, ayun na yung kanta ni Fifth.
Ano yan?
Naiiyak siya. Okay. Joshua, dito ka muna.
Paalala, ang mga kasambahay lang ang pwedeng kumanta.
Ay.
Oh.
Kuya, pero naiiyak ako eh. Anong gagawin ko? Live while we're young.
Little things, little
Yes.
things.
I'm
Maris
going.
Patesting, please.
Ayan na.
Dali!
Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Passion in my bed, love.
Uy, say something!
Ayan, yan.
Say something!
Say something.
The
Uy,
broken
say
one.
something!
Ah! Let's go!
Say
Ayan, the
something,
script, the
please.
script.
Please, kantayin
Maganda
nyo.
na
Please,
script.
please lang. Please lang
Hall
talaga.
of Fame.
Mahal ko ba
Madali
magbasa?
lang.
Mahal ko
Grabe,
magbasa
madali
niyan.
lang talaga.
Oh,
Madali lang yung chords.
Okay, iyak na naman. Iyak na naman ako.
okay.
Upo ka, Joshua.
I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I will follow you.
Dahil iyak mamaya na.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. And
Galing.
I feel so small. It was over my head.
Pakilakas yung lyrics. Yung lyrics na pinakikinggan ko.
Malakas mo yung boss mo.
Yung lyrics, please.
Dito, hawakan ko.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Tapos ilipat mo mamaya.
Tapos medyo paki-enunciate kasi para ma-realize ko yung lyrics. May iyak
Yung
ako.
ibig sabihin ng lyrics.
Thank you so much. Grabe na yung
Dapat
dalawa.
enjoy na mamaya.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to.
Napakasakit. Ay! Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie.
Anywhere
Lalabas ako ng wala. Muna na naatay. Wala talaga. Wala. Mare?
say something, I'm giving up on you.
Sarap mo yan.
And I'm feeling so small. The world's over my head. And I stumble and fall.
Pantok.
Starting to grow. Balik.
Si Sandara ba to?
Girls' Generation. Cute. Cute. Cute.